fun and compete with suffering that doesn't directly affect you. The poem is really about confronting the uncomfortable. That's why I wrote it.
Good. And for you, Maribel, my last question for you is, you said, I wasn't just a viewer, I was the glass wall. What did you mean by identifying yourself with that metaphor?
The line captures the moment. I realized watching the film. A comfortable distance doesn't make any innocent. The glass on the wall of Mark's family's house is symbolic, transparent, but unpredictable. It separates comfort and struggle,
Ikaw ba bilang si Jeka?
wealth from poverty, and I'm in a way.
Naka-answer ka
I
nito?
realized I lived behind a similar kind of
Fun.
glass in Dubai. So that's why
Malimot
glass
siya. Ay, mother ni ko.
represented
Itong rich.
so that's why I can say I'm not
Part.
just a viewer, but I can also reflect the movie, the Parasite movie that I have just saw.
Thank you, Ella and Marisol. That's all for this afternoon. Back to you, Vicky.
Thank you, Marian. At yan ang mga balita aming naihanda sa loob at labas ng bansa. No to bias, no to fake news. ABM-RS is on the lookout. Thank you and God bless.
And that's how much